What's going on YouTube? Welcome back to a brand new penny stock video. This could be the last penny stock video in this series, you know, the top 8, top 9 penny stock videos to buy, you know, because I do want to come out to the world, well, not come out to the world, but I do want to come out and appeal to a larger audience with my videos, except on, you know, I don't have to focus on one specific topic, but this is the ultimate penny stock video because in the description I have labeled everything. So if you're new to this and you're watching this new, make sure you watch every single video. I have labeled it step by step, right? So there's links in the description to my other YouTube videos that will kind of put you on the right path. So for those of you who are new to this, why do we trade pharmaceutical penny stocks? And by the way, we only trade pharmaceutical penny stocks. And I know the title says top 9 penny stocks to buy for June and July, but here's the thing when it comes to these penny stocks. We don't just buy penny stocks, we trade penny stocks. So it could be buying or shorting penny stock, right? What is shorting? Is betting that the stock will go down in value. Buying is when we bet that the stock is going to go up in value. And why do we trade them? So we have to get out by the end of the day with these penny stocks. Usually we might hold for 1 or 2 days depending on how strong the result is, right? So these pharmaceutical penny stocks, and that's all we trade, is biopharma penny stocks. They don't have products, they don't have revenue, they're just in the developing stage, and in order to have a revenue or a product in the first place, they have to come out and test the drug to see if it works, to see if it, you know, heals that disease or whatnot. And that result, if it comes out positive or negative, that result is what will influence the stock to spike in value. And we know the exact date, and that is why we trade pharmaceutical penny stocks, because we know the exact date they're going to release the result. And there's also another catalyst, which is the FDA approval. If that stock gets an FDA approved product, then that stock will also spike in value. And you've seen several stocks that I mentioned previously on this channel where they came in and spiked in value. So on the day, we know, on the dates that I'm going to give you, you have to stalk their website, the company's website, and have a look. Or your job is to read and analyze the article, find out if it came out with positive result or negative result, FDA approval or non-FDA approval, and that will give you a decision whether you should buy the stock or short the stock on the exact day they release it. So they will release it pre-market or during the market open. So you have to keep track of on their website. So your job is easy. I gave you the dates, and I also gave you a way where you can find these penny stocks and how you can find them. But if you want, I am giving weekly alerts on my Patreon account, so there's going to be a link in the description. However, back to the topic. We only day trade these penny stocks. Remember, we get in, we get out. By the end of the day, we should have no penny stocks. Why? Well, because they are risky, just like you heard, right? And that's why we get in and we get out. It's a safer strategy. I'd like to sleep at night. I'd like to take my money during the day and sleep at night. And I know when I will take my money, because I know when it will spike in value. So without further ado, let us begin with the top 9 penny stocks for June and July. Some of these penny stocks I might have given you before. CMRX, trading at $4.43. They will release something this week between the 11th and the 15th. Today's the 11th, I believe, and the 15th. So this week you have to keep track on their website for the article and analyze it properly. If it's mixed results, you stay away. If it comes out crystal clear positive, you buy the stock and you get out, because there will be a pullback at the end of, after every spike. There has to be a pullback where the stock will come back down. And if it's negative, you either short it or you stay on the sideline. BLRX trading at 92 cents, that's June 15. ARQL trading at $5.33, that's June 15 also. ZFGN $6.62, June 22nd, between June 22nd and June 26th, just like the second one. It's that week, it's going to be that week. MACK $9.21, June 19. PSTI $1.45, that is June. No date, just June. So you have to keep track every day. Okay. ZYNE $11.23, July 12th. DRRX $2.09, July 28th. SCYX $1.76, July. Just July, right? No date. So your job is on those exact dates. I want you to go on the website and stalk them, analyze them. And if you don't know how to analyze, if my videos didn't teach you well, then there is a course for that. Like I said, private mentorship with me is also going to be in the description. And I'm filling up the spots quickly. And the guys who already joined can tell you they're gaining a lot of value out of that. So Here's the thing. You have to practice, practice, practice. Don't be eager. And some of you will want to buy before the dates, right? And you're going to bet to say, hey, I'm going to buy this, hoping maybe it will come out positive results, then it will spike in value, so I'll be there before everyone else. You know you're just gambling here, right? This is not trading. You're not trading here. You're just gambling. Because penny stocks are risky. You don't know what's going to happen, specifically those penny stocks that I'm going to give you, because they don't even have revenue or products. They're just in the development stage. And I can't even go through financials here with you because they don't have financials. They're deep in losses. They're just in the developing stage. So that's what influenced these stocks to spike in value, is the catalyst, the result of the FDA and the result of the study or the trial. I'll see you again for another, just like always. Make sure to follow me on Instagram and Twitter. I'll have them in the description also, so make sure you follow me there. Peace and love, just like always, and I'll see you this week for another video. Maybe penny stocks or something else, I'm not sure.
I'ma keep it humble when I shine. I'll keep it 100 when I shine. I'ma tell the truth when I shine. I'ma cut the cool when I shine. I'ma keep it humble